guys, as we all know, the holy month of Ramadan is around the corner. A clean and beautiful home is very essential for a spiritual journey ahead. And for this reason, Nesto Hypermarket is coming up with a pre-Ramadan promotion, and let's check it out. For a clean, sweet home, let's start cleaning up with Wiltawa Drum Vacuum Cleaner just at 16.9, 20 liters single mop trolley at 5.99, 100 liter Cosmo Plus waste bin at 9.99, mosquito and fly killer 400 ml 3 pack each at 1.59, Bahar dishwash liquid 3 into 400 ml pack just at 9.90, flat mop for a clean home just at 1.5, steel cloth dryer just at 3.49. Pin mop bucket with a refill at 2.5. Glass table with 4 chairs at 34.9. Wiltawa heavy dry iron at 3.99 and 4.5. Aftron 6 kg front load washing machine just at 69.9. Get clean and dry clothes with Jeep's 10 kg semi-automatic washing machine just at 54.9. Elegant and beautiful prayer mats just at 900 paisa. Turkey carpet assaulted just at 4.9. Impex handheld garment steamer just at 7.9. So guys, let me tell you, please visit Nesto Hypermarket today and get your home Ramadan ready with exceptional clean home promotion. So this offer is valid until 29th February. So why wait? Come shop with Nesto Hypermarket and get a clean, sweet home.